Westy Window Wagon new products from WCR. Today we're going to be talking about the IPC Eagle Cleano System. Cleano System comes in several sizes. Today we're going to be unboxing the 25 foot. Once you get above 10 feet, the 25 and the 35 feet come in carbon fiber, so the head's a little bit different. But you're going to receive the pole in a tube. This is sort of how IPC Eagle ships it. What's interesting is the tube has this cap on it. So you're going to have to use a screwdriver, which I've already done, and wedge away from the cardboard tubing. Once you do that, then it pulls off pretty easy. You can see the cap. The pole itself, the carbon fiber pole, is going to be inside here. It has a plug, and then you can reach down in here. I'll actually have to get it started out a little bit here. Okay. So I got a hold of it here. It's going to come wrapped in foam, so it pulls out pretty easy. You can see there's the carbon fiber wrapped really nice, protected, and that'll pull right out. But that's how you unbox the Cleano system in carbon fiber, IPC Eagle. I don't think the smaller, the aluminum ones, up to 10 feet, come packed this way. I could be wrong, but this is the unboxing, unpacking of the carbon fiber Cleano system from IPC Eagle. Hope this is helpful. Remember, Westy Window Wagon, new parts from WCR. Don't hesitate to reach out to me anytime. 865-310-0728.